how do you make a passive income from home, right? And how do you do this full time? Hey guys, my name is Michael Granados. I'm from Viral Home Based Pursuits. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you just 3 ways that you can really make a passive income online. But one of those is actually the true way to make a passive income online. So stick with me to the end of that. And I'm also going to reveal to you a couple of secrets and gems that you didn't know about passive income, right? So a lot of people have been asking me, how do you make a passive income online, Michael? And I truthfully tell them, the many ways they can do this, the 3 ways that they can get started, and truly the one way and the way that I do this. I've been making a full-time income from the comfort of my own home for some time now. I started a health and wellness website, and I started making money from that, helping people in the lower back pain space. And ever since then, that's been able to fuel my passive income and my way of living from the comfort of my own home, and been able to connect with so many people online and help them out. There's no better feeling than that. Okay. So there was a time when I was very undervalued, very underappreciated at my last job. There was a lot of things going on, a lot of conflict with that position. Me being able to move forward. I had the great attitude and everything. I did it for what it was worth, just to have more stability. Things never came into fruition, having 3+ years of education, thinking that I should go back to school to finish another year, or do another certification program like through the EDX platform. That's not until I started learning about the internet and how to make a passive income online. And through my research, I learned ways like one of them being e-commerce. Okay. So this is where you have basically a store online and you place a lot of products on there, and people can come by and make a purchase off of what your store has, and you get paid a profit margin from that. Those profit margins can be very big, and those profit margins are really helpful. And another word for this, e-commerce, is also called like drop shipping, right? Where you're helping fulfill the orders, and you don't have to really hold any product in inventory. And all you have to do is send people to that merchant, and then make the, they get the product through them, right? You don't have to have the product on hand to send it out to them. This model is good. You can make a lot of money with it, but it's not passive. You can't really make a passive income business with this model. You have to be there every single day. So passive to me means I can go a week or 2 without having to do anything, come back, everything is still there. Perfect. That's passive income. And I'll get into that a little bit more. Second way is digital agency work. Basically, this is where you're going to be helping businesses get more leads into their business. The money can come by a lot faster, right? But it's not passive. You have to be there a lot of the time helping clients out, and it's just like having another 9-to-5 job. You can't get away from it. And my whole point was getting away from that once I was able to accumulate my skills and realize that I can do this from the comfort of my own home. Okay, that's another way to do it. And then number 3, which is my favorite and the one that I do right now the most, is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Basically, this is where you have people come into your offer. They click on something called an affiliate link, and then from there they get taken over to the retailer. They make that purchase, and then you get a commission percentage off of that. This isn't selling. I mean, you have to, in a way, understand how sales work, but you're affiliate marketing. You're marketing a product, so you're going to learn how to be helpful, educational, and informing people how to make a purchasing decision off of what you're trying to present to them. Right? And this is really the true way to make a passive income online. I do have more information on this in the description below. I have extra videos on how to make a home-based business with passive income, how to do this with affiliate marketing that goes more in depth. It teaches you how to do things with selecting a niche, how it exactly all works together. And I actually have a guide underneath that even gives you more ways to make a passive income online. So make sure you check that out as well. Along with that being said, there is also a free affiliate marketing course in the description. No charge, no nothing. It's A to Z training, goes from beginner to expert. So it's amazing for nothing, okay? But I do close it from time to time because I want to make sure that I am taking care of the people who are joining and are serious about changing their lives and making a passive income online, right? So with affiliate marketing, that's all you have to do. You don't have to hold any inventory. You don't have to do any of the customer support like you probably would do with dropshipping, e-commerce. So that's all you do. You just send them to that merchant. They take control of that. They handle the customer service and all that as well. So that's the amazing part to it. You don't have to deal with it so much, and you could just make it passive. And there are two ways to do affiliate marketing. There's one, building an Amazon niche website, which I have more videos on, and that teaches you how to sell products that are on Amazon, physical products, Amazon, and also other affiliate programs out there that you can sign up for free, and then go from that. Okay, and then there's also the recurring affiliate marketing model, which is selling digital information to get recurring monthly commissions. Instead of getting a one-time sale with a physical product, you're getting recurring income with a digital informational product. And so that's the advantages of that. And I actually teach both because I have two businesses in both of them. One that I started with the Amazon, the other one started with digital information products. And that's all in my course too. That's all given out there for free. And all that information is in there. Okay. And both are good places to start. You know, I started with physical products so I can learn how to sell products online and then move my way after I was able to automate one, move to the next one. So how to make a passive income online, to wrap it up, you have those three ways. You have e-commerce, right? But you're fulfilling orders. You have to be on there on top to time. It's not always passive, but it is good. You can make profit margins off of that. You have agency work, which you really have to be there a lot of the time. Checking up on ads, running on different things, as well as with e-commerce. But with affiliate marketing, you don't have to just like automatically go in and start paying for things. You can start at a very low cost and get people organically through search engines, which is what I teach too and how I got started, getting people to see your post on Google through a website. You have like a blog, they see that post and then they get taken over to the merchant, the retailer, and they make a purchase. You make a commission off of that, which is amazing, okay? That's the way I would go about things if you want to start a true passive income home-based business from the comfort of your own home like I am at this moment. I'm in my room hanging out. This is my office, and I can wake up in the mornings, come here, or go down to the kitchen downstairs and do what I need to get done with. And if you want more information on that, again, it's going to be down in the below in the description, so make sure you get free access to all that. There's a lot of gems, a lot of things that I give away for free, so make sure you subscribe for more of my information that's going to be coming out. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment, and I will go ahead and get back to you. All right, thanks.